Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to Nous camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, then we can scroll down and look for share device. Now we can click on it and then share your device using any of the methods available. We can send it through the message, copy the link, or click on more to see all of the options available. And we can also adjust the number of people we want to share the camera with, and then share with the account Nous Smart, and we can add the account here as well if you want to do it straight through the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.